The number one complaint about lunges is that it hurts the knees, and so what we're going to talk about today is how to make this a glute focus, which should really take a lot of pressure off of that kneecap and any knee issues that you may have. When we are talking about a glute focused lunge, it's going to be where the knee is and where that falls in reference to that front foot. So in this video, you can see that my knee is right above my shoelaces, even my ankle, and I have a slight lean forward in my body. That's going to stretch the glute and allow you to really use that glute. So with my left leg forward, I'm going to be focusing on that left glute and that left heel to push me up. Here's a visual on the comparison between glute and quad. On the left, I am keeping my knee right above my ankle and I'm pressing straight up from that position with my body slightly leaned forward. The screenshot on the right, you can see that the knee is a lot farther forward and the body is more upright. With a quad focus, you're also pushing your knee forward as you go down into the lunge. So if you are feeling any pressure in your knee, make sure that your knee is staying right above your ankle and you're going straight up and down. One of the other tips I have with this to help with the glute activation and to lessen the knee pain is to make sure that your knee is staying forward. You don't want it to collapse in, you want it to follow your toe. So if your toes are pointed forward, your knee should be pointing in that same direction, not going out or in, and that will take a lot of pressure off of that joint.